What are the books of accounts and other statutory records to be maintained under GST? Learning objectives of this video are: what is GST? What are the books of accounts to be maintained currently? What are the books of accounts and records to be maintained under GST? Who has to mandatorily get accounts audited by a CA? How to prepare these books of accounts for GST? What is GST? In India, GST will soon replace almost all indirect taxes except customs, stamp duty, and property tax. This will mean we will now have to maintain records in new formats and adhere to different mandates. What are the books of accounts to be maintained currently? If you are a manufacturer, you will currently be maintaining RG1 register, Form 4 book, and an invoice register. If you are a wholesaler or retailers, you will be maintaining a sales and purchase register, VAT records, details of input credit, and works contract. If you are providing services, you will be maintaining all bill copies, credit, and debit notes, along with the CE and VAT register. What are the books of accounts to be maintained under GST? All businesses can now maintain the following records in their place of business: manufacture of goods, inward and outward supply of goods and/or services, stock of goods, input tax credit availed, output tax payable and paid. It's important to maintain such records for 5 years, and is much easier to hold them in electronic form. Who has to mandatorily get audited by a CA? If the turnover of your business crosses 1 crore, you have to get your accounts audited by a chartered or cost accountant. The audited statement should be submitted along with the annual returns. How to prepare books of accounts for GST? Record keeping and compliance in GST is more elaborate, and hence would need a compliant accounting software. You will have to make sure your accounting software is GST compliant and has the capability to generate all the records mandated by the law.
If you are considering upgrading your accounting software to a cloud-based next-gen ERP, which can help you with GST compliance, Reach Accountant would be an ideal fit. To simplify compliances, facilitate multi-branch data consolidation, save cost and time. You can easily migrate from Tally by importing your Tally data directly into Reach Accountant. To give it a try, log on to reachaccountant.com.